So how to install Realtor.com app? So yeah, just go and tap get. So yeah, it's pretty cool that they also have a mobile app in addition to website. Of course, they have a website, but yeah, sometimes using an app for me is just easier. As the experience is just smoother, and then you can see this app is hugely popular, 740,000 ratings. It's in top charts as well. So yeah, you can just open it up. So yeah, when you're looking for rent, when you want to sell or you want to buy, this is one of the apps you should definitely have it here. And then you just can create an account easily, seamlessly, just with your, your Apple ID sign up. So what would you like to do? Either buy a home, rent a home, or sell a home, whatever. So for example, and then you can just enter your location, or you can allow where you are. But this app only works in US. So you can just write some address, and then you can see some properties here. So yeah, then you can just tap on some items, and then you can see for sale, what's the estimate monthly price, what's like exterior, what could be the pool, for example, here. So yeah, that's basically what it is. And then you can just text or contact agent. So then you can just write it out about the property. So yeah, that's what it is. That's the idea. So yeah, something like that. Then you can save your listings, then you can have your notifications, and then yeah, that's what it is.